know how bears do it. You know how bears do it. So don't mess with the bear, the bear messes with you. Because the bear will mess, and he will get ugly. Don't. I say don't. Turn out like Mrs. fucking Piggy right here. Don't. You wouldn't. No, don't. It's Mr. Teddy Bear here. Don't mess with the teddy bear because he will mess with you. Now I'm gonna give you some advice. Don't mess up like Mr. fucking Dog right here, cause this damn dog will mess up your life. So don't mess up. Get. You got it, honey? So don't mess up. And don't mess up in your life because, bam, things will happen that will make you sad. I mean, you'll turn into a Buddha. You'll turn into a Buddha. Is that bad? Yes, it is. A Buddha is bad because they're stone. They're stone. So, XOXO, Mr. Teddy Bear. Bye. See you next time. I'm Mr. Teddy Bear. You wanna mess up? I'm here to give you advice so you can live on with your life. Mr. Teddy Bear, he's a teddy bear who sucks. He has friends like Buddha. He has friends like the puppy, the dog, the clown, Abraham Lincoln, the cat, Hillary Clinton, Julius Caesar, the piggy, and this other weird animal. So, check me out on YouTube and subscribe, rate, comment,